Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Dream Cars. The 2026 Range Rover Sport has arrived, setting a new benchmark for luxury SUVs. Known for its blend of elegance, off-road capability and cutting-edge technology, the latest iteration of the Range Rover Sport offers a refined driving experience with improvements that make it more powerful, sophisticated and sustainable than ever before. Whether you're a longtime Range Rover enthusiast or a potential buyer seeking the perfect balance between performance and comfort, the 2026 Range Rover Sport has something for everyone. Bold design and refinement. The 2026 Range Rover Sport continues its tradition of strong muscular design, but with a more contemporary twist. The front fascia features the signature LED headlights, now sleeker and sharper, paired with a wider grille that commands attention. The dynamic lines of the body and aerodynamic enhancements not only look stunning but contribute to improved efficiency and driving performance. Inside, the Range Rover Sport combines luxury with modern technology. The cabin is crafted with the finest materials, premium leather upholstery, real wood finishes and metal accents, ensuring that every drive is an experience in luxury. The 2026 model comes equipped with a minimalist dashboard that seamlessly integrates dual touchscreen displays for the infotainment system, along with intuitive controls for a premium experience. The heart of the 2026 Range Rover Sport is its exceptional performance capabilities, with a wide range of powertrains to choose from, including traditional gasoline engines, a mild hybrid setup and a fully electric variant. The new Sport meets diverse driving needs. Powertrain options: mild hybrid, V6 and V8 engines. These engines combine electric power with traditional fuel, enhancing fuel efficiency and reducing emissions while maintaining powerful acceleration and robust performance. Electric Range Rover Sport EV. For the first time, Land Rover introduces a fully electric version of the Sport. This new model offers zero emissions and a range that competes with the best in its class. The electric motor ensures rapid acceleration, a quiet cabin and the same commanding performance on and off the road. Off-road excellence. Despite its luxury pedigree, the 2026 Range Rover Sport doesn't compromise on off-roadability. With adaptive air suspension, terrain response 2 and an optional electronic active differential, the Sport offers superior traction and stability across various surfaces, from snow and mud to rocky trails and steep inclines. Handling and ride comfort. The inclusion of advanced dynamic response Pro and air suspension offers a superb blend of comfort and agility. Whether you're cruising on highways or taking on rugged terrain, the Range Rover Sport ensures a smooth, controlled ride with exceptional cornering capabilities. The 2026 Range Rover Sport is loaded with advanced technology designed to enhance safety, connectivity and convenience. Pivi Pro infotainment system. The Pivi Pro system features a responsive 13.1-inch curved touchscreen that provides access to navigation, entertainment and climate controls. It supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and integrates with Amazon Alexa for voice-activated controls. Driver assistance systems. The new model is equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, UDOSH, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitoring. The optional semi-autonomous driving package offers the ability for hands-free driving on highways, further enhancing safety and convenience. Remote features. The Range Rover Sport also features the Land Rover In Control app, allowing drivers to remotely monitor and control various vehicle functions such as climate control, vehicle location and charging. For the electric version, this gives owners enhanced peace of mind and convenience. Sustainability and efficiency. Land Rover continues its push towards sustainability, and the 2026 Range Rover Sport is no exception. The introduction of hybrid and electric powertrains makes the Sport more eco-friendly while maintaining the high performance expected from the brand. The hybrid variants offer better fuel efficiency without compromising on power, while the electric model eliminates emissions altogether, making it a great choice for environmentally conscious consumers. The 2026 Range Rover Sport is highly customizable to cater to individual tastes and preferences, from premium seating options like massage chairs and heated cooled seats to customizable interior. This SUV offers endless possibilities. Whether you're opting for unique paint finishes, wheels or bespoke interior features, you can personalize your Range Rover Sport to create a one-of-a-kind luxury vehicle. The 2026 Range Rover Sport stands as an epitome of luxury and performance, delivering an exciting mix of cutting-edge technology, powerful performance and refined design. With a sleek new exterior, the Sport continues its legacy as a symbol of both power and sophistication. Inside, it offers a spacious, opulent cabin equipped with top-tier features, including a state-of-the-art infotainment system, premium materials and advanced driver assistance features. The 2026 Range Rover Sport impresses with its responsive handling, smooth ride and potent engine options. Whether on rugged terrains or city roads, its dynamic performance ensures an exhilarating driving experience. With an eco-friendly hybrid option and advanced off-road capabilities, this SUV is built to take on any adventure without compromising comfort or style. The 2026 Range Rover Sport is the perfect combination of opulence, performance and utility, making it well worth the hype. The 2026 Range Rover Sport represents a bold step forward in the luxury SUV market. Its combination of elegant design, cutting-edge technology, robust performance and sustainability makes it a standout in its class. Whether you're seeking thrilling off-road adventures or a comfortable tech-savvy daily driver, the Range Rover Sport promises an unmatched driving experience. The future of luxury SUVs has arrived and it's sporting a bold new look. Thanks for watching time, and don't forget like and subscribe to our channel. Dream cars and see in the road.